I just opened up my MacBook Pro 16-inch after 1 year. It has a lot of dust. I did not have big problems like when I was watching 4K or doing some editing. Everything was fine, was not that visible, but for gaming it was really slow and it was not the same like when it was new. Look what it has inside after 1 year. The back cover also, it's very dusty. I do not have that much dust in the house, but it seems this this computer is sucking everything. Unfortunately, I will have to clean it as much as possible like this because I really do not want to open it more. I said unfortunately because in order to remove the fans I will have to remove the main board. This is something I don't want to do at this moment, so I will do just a cleanup on this side. If I will not see any benefits, for sure I will remove the motherboard, release the fans, clean them up correctly as much as possible, and who knows, maybe replacing thermal paste. Be very careful at the speakers because they are quite fragile, so just go very gently on them. Do not insist. Okay, it looks way better now, almost as new. And the case also, the back case, it's very thin. You have to be careful to not bend it. These are the speakers, they are very nice. I love how they sound. Batteries 2, 4, 6 cells, and there is space between them. The air goes inside like this and exits on the upper side, cooling also the batteries, which is very nice. Okay, perfect. So I will close this one up and I will see the results. If not, I will have to open it further, but I hope this won't be necessary because I really don't want to remove the mainboard. What you see here is a small comparison of CPU behavior before and after the cleanup. On the left side, before the cleanup, as you can see, the frequency drops to prevent the CPU from overheating. On the right side, the frequency remains the same waveline, obviously a visible improvement. Well, I have amazing news. I've played for 20 minutes and FPS count was always above 70, so definitely improvement. Like I said before the cleanup, this particular game, I had problems on all games, but on this one was so obvious. 1 or 2 minutes after starting before the cleanup, frame dropped to 30 FPS or even lower, so definitely improvement here. So in my case it was the dust. I hope in your case is the same. Maybe you are watching this video because you have problems with your MacBook. In my case, a simple cleanup did the trick. I didn't even have to remove the motherboard, which I do not want. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. Let me know if you had benefits after the cleanup, and see you in the next one. Bye!